Embracing the natural texture of your hair is probably one of the hardest things to do. But we at Glamrs believe that every mane is beautiful. So here are some ways you can let your hair frizz up and show off your natural luscious waves. Type Frizzy in the comments below and we'll send you a how to tame frizz guide. Nothing beats the misery of waking up to see your locks transformed into an unruly mop. But you don't have to let this bring your plan for the day down. Try this super stylish hack instead. First tie one section at the crown and then secure the remaining hair as well. Now take the front portion of your hair and tie a quick French braid by crossing each of the 3 strands and then adding extra sections from each side. Now gather your hair into a chic pony. And just like that, you've gone from frizzy to fantastic in no time. In between straight and curly, wavy hair can be confusing but can also look supremely bouncy and chic. To make the most of your mane, try this messy bun look. Poof up the front section of your hair for added volume and secure with bobby pins. Now divide your hair into sections, pinning up the upper section into the poof. Now flatten the bottom half and pin it to the rest of your hair. You can choose to set this with a spray as well. This is the best way to use volumized waves to look put together. One of the easiest ways to tame unruly locks is to put them into a braid. Side braids are among the most effective hairstyles for women who have long wavy hair that frizzes up often. Take a small portion of the ponytail from the front, dividing it into 2 and then flip it upside down. Now add 2 sections from the side, tie into a pony and flip it again. Repeat this all the way into the end until it forms a braid. Now tease it so the look complements the natural waves of your hair. Heading out on your head just isn't cooperating? Just get the frizzed up strands out of the way with this amazing hairstyle. Section your hair into 2 and braid each side. Once done, lift up one of the braids, securing it on the other side. Do the same with the other way, tucking it in the previous one so it looks seamless. And now the best part. Accessorize it with embellished pins or small flowers. This intricate and elaborate hairstyle is quick to do and gets the attention of the unruly locks, making you look and feel your best. We hope this heatless techniques will transform all those bad hair days into fabulous ones in no time. Let us know in the comments below what kind of hairstyles you'd want to see, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.